अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के इस लेक्चर में हम चैप्टर नंबर 3 के एमसीक्यू सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। सो आप लोग जो है वो मेरे साथ साथ जल्दी जल्दी जो है वो पढ़ेंगे एंड अपने आंसर्स नोट करेंगे। एंड आप लोगों ने मुझे बताना है कि आप लोगों को कितने क्वेश्चंस के आंसर जो है वो आते थे ऑलरेडी। ठीक है, सो ये दीज क्वेश्चंस विल हेल्प यू टू क्लियर द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ दिस चैप्टर। सो दिस लेक्चर विल कवर द सेल वॉल, प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन एंड साइटोप्लाज्म। सो बहुत सारे एमसीक्यूज हम इस चैप्टर के सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर लेक्चर। Question number 1: The basic structural and functional unit of life is tissue, organ, cell, organ system. Answer is C, cell. Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. Question number 2: Who first observed quark cells under a microscope? Antony van Leeuwenhoek, Robert Hooke, Rudolf Virchow, Robert Brown. Answer is Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke first observed quark cells under a microscope. Question number 3: Robert Hooke observed cells in question number option number A है onion peel, blood, cork, leaf. So answer is cork. Question number 4: Who first observed living cells? Robert Hooke, Antony van Leeuwenhoek, Sheldon Schwann. So answer is Antony van Leeuwenhoek. Question number 5. Students, these chapters are from cell theory. Cell theory, chapter number 3. Which scientists propose that all plants are made of cells? Which scientists propose that all plants are made of cells? Plants के बारे में किसने बताया था? Schwann, Sheldon, Virchow, Hooke. Answer is Sheldon. तो Sheldon ने बताया था. Question number 6: Which scientist concluded that animals are made of cells? So animals के बारे में किसने बताया था? Sheldon, Hooke, Schwann, Brown. Answer is Schwann. Question number 7: Who stated that new cells arise from pre-existing cells? Robert Brown, Virchow, Hooke, Sheldon. Answer is Virchow. The nucleus was discovered by option A Hooke, option B Brown, option C Schwann, and option D is Leeuwenhoek. So nucleus was discovered by Robert Brown. The cell theory was proposed by Hooke and Brown, Sheldon and Schwann, Virchow and Brown, Hooke and Leeuwenhoek. Do you know the answer? Right. The answer is B, Sheldon and Schwann. Question number 10. Cells are generally classified into 2 types, 3 types, 4 types or 5 types. Yes, your answer is correct. There are 2 types of cells. Question number 11. A cell lacking a true nucleus is called eukaryotic cell, plant cell, animal cell or prokaryotic cell. Yes, your answer is correct. The true nucleus lacking a cell is the prokaryotic cells. Question number 12. Organisms belonging to kingdom Monera are eukaryotic, prokaryotic, multicellular, fungi. Your answer is correct. The prokaryotic cell, kingdom Monera. The organisms belonging to kingdom Monera are prokaryotic. Which of the following is a prokaryote? Amoeba, bacteria, paramecium, euglena. Yes, your answer is correct. Bacteria. Question number 14. Question number 14. Which organelle controls all cellular activities? So our answer is nucleus. Yes, you are right. Question number 15. The jelly-like material inside the cell is called cytoplasm, cell wall, nucleoplasm, and matrix. Inside the cell, the answer is cytoplasm. Yes, students, you are correct. Then question number 16. The outer boundary of animal cell is the cell wall, plasma membrane, nuclear membrane, capsule. So animal cell में outer boundary कौन सी होती है students? Yes, your answer is correct. Cell plasma membrane. ठीक है, तो plasma membrane is the outer boundary of animal cell, but plant cell its outer boundary is cell wall. Okay, the plasma membrane is mainly composed of protein and lipids. Yes, your answer is correct. Question number 18. The plasma membrane is fully permeable, impermeable, selectively permeable, or dead. So the answer is selectively permeable. Yes, you are right. Question number 19. The movement of molecules from higher concentration to lower concentration is called active transport, diffusion, endocytosis, exocytosis. The answer is diffusion. Question number 19. Diffusion occurs because of ATP, pressure, random movement of molecules, or enzymes. So the answer is C, random movements of molecules. Question number 21. Osmosis is the movement of oxygen, proteins, water molecules, and glucose. So the term osmosis is specifically used for water molecules. So option is C. Question number 22. Question number 22. Osmosis occurs through a thick wall, cell wall, selectively permeable membrane, and capsule. So the option is C, selectively permeable membrane. Question number 23. Which transport process requires energy? So our answer is active transport. Energy used in active transport is supplied by DNA, ATP, RNA, glucose. So the answer is ATP. So these all terms and concepts are discussed in previous lectures. So our chapter number 3 is completely uploaded on the YouTube. You can watch the lectures if your answer is not being correctly done. Question number 25. The powerhouse of the cell is the answer is mitochondria. Question number 26. The cell wall is present in animal only, plant, fungi, bacteria, and algae, animals and fungi only, protozoa only. So the answer is B option. The plant cells, fungi cells, and bacterial and algae cells have a cell wall. Their composition is different, but they all have a cell wall. A cell without a cell wall is called cytoplast, protoplast, endoplast, mesoplast. So the answer is protoplast. Yes, you're right. The primary cell wall is mainly composed of chitin, peptidoglycan, cellulose, hemicellulose, and pectin and silica. So the option is C option. Cellulose, hemicellulose, and pectin, primary cell wall. Question number 29. Cellulose microfibrils are held together by peptide bond, ionic bond, hydrogen bond, or glycosidic bond. So cellulose is a starch or carbohydrate. So the bond will be the hydrogen bond. Cellulose microfibrils are held together by hydrogen bonds. Which layer join the primary walls of the neighboring plant cells? Which layer? The secondary wall, plasma membrane, middle lamella, and cytoplasm. So the answer is C, middle lamella. Middle lamella mainly contains chitins, calcium and magnesium pectates, cellulose and lignin. So option is B, calcium and magnesium pectates. So we will try to manage all these 100 MCQs in a very short duration. So you are all advised to take a speed. The middle lamella is formed from plasma membrane, nuclear membrane, cell plate, Golgi apparatus. The middle lamella is made from a cell plate. Cell plate से बनती है. The question number 33. Secondary cell wall is formed between plasma membrane and cytoplasm, primary wall and middle lamella, protoplast and primary wall, nucleus and cytoplasm. So it's a conceptual question. Secondary wall कहाँ पर बनती है, किसके दरमियान में बनती है? So the answer is C option, protoplast and primary wall. Rigidity of the secondary wall is mainly due to cellulose, pectin, lignin, or protein. So the option is lignin. These all points are discussed in the lectures. So you have to first take your lectures if you are not correctly answering the MCQs. ठीक है, अगर आप लोगों के 100 में से तकरीबन 50 मार्क्स भी आ जाते हैं तो मीन्स कि आप लोगों के थोड़े बहुत कॉन्सेप्ट जो है क्लियर हैं. अदरवाइज आप लोग जो है वो दोबारा लेक्चर्स लें, अपने नोट्स बनाएं एंड ईच एंड एवरी कॉन्सेप्ट को आप लोग जो है वो अपना क्लियर करें. ठीक है, देन उसके बाद क्वेश्चन नंबर 35. प्लाज्मोडेस्माटा आर राइबोसोम्स. Small channels connecting neighboring plant cells, vacuoles or microtubules. So the answer is small channels. ठीक है, these are the plasmodesmata are the small channels connecting neighboring plant cells. Plasmodesmata are important for photosynthesis, cellular communication, DNA replication, protein digestion. So the answer is cellular communication. Question number 37. Plasmodesmata are formed during meiosis, cell division, fertilization, respiration. Though, so the option is cell division. During cell division, the plasmodesmata are formed. So, question number 38. Which organelle becomes trapped in the new cell wall to form plasmodesmata? दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म. ठीक है, तो आप लोगों ने शायद इग्नोर कर दी होगी ये. ठीक है, तो लेकिन ये हमारा जो सेल वाल वाला टॉपिक है उसके अंदर ये चीज मेंशन है. सो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? क्वेश्चन ऑप्शन नंबर ए माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, गोल्गी apparatus, एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम और राइबोसोम. सो द ऑप्शन इज एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. Cell wall prevents excessive respiration, water entry, expansion when water enters the cell, or photosynthesis. So, a cell wall prevents the expansion when water enters the cell. ठीक है. Then उसके बाद question number 40. Which is not a function of the cell wall? Mechanical support, maintaining cell shape, ATP synthesis, protection against pathogens. So the option C is correct. This is not the function of cell wall. ठीक है, बाकी सारे cell wall के function है, but ATP synthesis इसका function नहीं है. Question number 41. Diatoms synthesize their cell wall from A. Cellulose, chitin, silicic acid, peptidoglycan. Diatoms, the cell wall of diatoms synthesize silicic acid. Question number 42. Higher growth rate in diatoms are due to cellulose wall, low energy silica wall, synthesis, thick cell wall, presence of lignin. Answer is low energy silica wall synthesis. Question number 43. The cell wall of algae contains chitin only, cellulose and glycoproteins, peptidoglycan or silica. The answer is cellulose and glycoproteins. Question number 44. Fungal cell wall is mainly composed of cellulose, chitin, pectin, lignin. The answer is chitin. Question number 45. Chitin also provides strength to the plant stem, exoskeleton of insects, bone, cell membrane. The answer is exoskeleton of insects. Question number 46. The cell wall of bacteria is composed of options are cellulose, peptidoglycan, chitin, silica. The answer is peptidoglycan. The cell wall of bacteria is composed of peptidoglycan. The question number 47. Peptidoglycan is made of cellulose and proteins, amino acids and sugars, lipids only, RNA and protein. The answer is amino acids and sugar. Question number 48. The cell wall of Archaebacteria lacks proteins, polysaccharide, peptidoglycan, lipids. The correct option is peptidoglycan. Question number 49. Plasma membrane is present in prokaryotes only, eukaryotes only, both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, or the plant cell only. The answer is both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Plasma membrane acts as completely permeable barrier, semi-porous barrier, impermeable wall, cell plate. So, semi-porous barrier. Question number 51. The widely accepted model of plasma membrane is unit membrane model, sandwich model, fluid mosaic model, cell theory. The option is C, fluid mosaic model. A fluid mosaic model was proposed in 1972 by Watson and Crick, Sheldon and Shawan, Singer and Nicholson, Hooke and Leon Hooke. The answer is C, Singer and Nicholson. The basic framework of plasma membrane is formed by options are protein only, carbohydrates only, phospholipid bilayer or cellulose. The correct option is phospholipid bilayer. Question number 54. Plasma membrane is mainly composed of lipid bilayer with embedded proteins, cellulose or lignin, peptidoglycan and proteins, chitin and glycoproteins. The correct option is A, lipid bilayer with embedded proteins. Question number 55. In the fluid mosaic model, proteins are fixed permanently in one position, floating within the lipid bilayer, present only on the outer surface, present only on the inner surface. The answer is B, floating within the lipid bilayer. 55. 56. The hydrophilic part of the phospholipid is its fatty acid tail, hydrocarbon chain, phosphate group, cholesterol. The correct option is phosphate group. The hydrophobic region of a phospholipid consists of the phosphate group, CH chain, carbon hydrogen chain, sugar molecules, amino acid. So the correct option is C, H chains. So the आप सबको, अगर आप लोग जो है वो ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, क्वेश्चंस कर रहे हैं, अगर ये हेल्पफुल है आप लोगों के लिए तो काइंडली चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और लाइक जरूर कीजिएगा. इट विल बी अ ग्रेट हेल्प फॉर मी. Question number 58. It is in the phospholipid bilayer, hydrophobic tails are directed towards number A, cytoplasm only, extracellular fluids only, interior of the membrane, or cell wall. The correct option is C, interior of the membrane. 59. The hydrophilic phosphate heads of the phospholipids face only the cytoplasm, only the extracellular fluid, both cytoplasm and extracellular environment, the center of the membrane. The answer is both cytoplasm and extracellular environment. Cholesterol is found in the plasma membrane of bacteria only, plants only, eukaryotes only, cyanobacteria only. So the option is C, eukaryotes. Cholesterol helps to synthesize proteins, maintain membrane fluidity at low temperature, digest food, produce ATP, maintain membrane fluidity at low temperature. The position of membrane proteins is related to the organization of the dash, cell wall, cytoskeleton, nucleus, ribosome. Answer is cytoskeleton. Which membrane proteins facilitate selective transport across the membrane? Correct option is channel proteins and active transport proteins. Question number 64. Some membrane proteins attach the plasma membrane to cytoskeleton and external fibers. So now onward we will only discuss the answer. Proteins attached with the sugar on the outer surface act mainly as cell identification marks. Receptor proteins functions by producing ATP, binding messenger molecules and transmitting signals. The correct option is B, binding messenger molecules and transmitting signals. Which of the following is an example of a messenger molecule mentioned in the text? Answer is hormone. 68. Some membrane proteins also functions as answer is B, enzyme catalyzing membrane related reactions. Question number 69. A protein attached to a carbohydrate chain is called, answer is B, glycoprotein. A lipid attached to a carbohydrate chain is called glycolipid. Glycoproteins and glycolipids together form, answer is glycocalyx. Glycocalyx primarily functions in cell identification and recognition. Answer the question number 73. Glycoproteins and glycolipids vary even among different cell types of the same individuals. Answer C is correct. Option C is correct. Which of the following molecules can freely pass through the plasma membrane? Option C is correct. Oxygen. According to the given text, the passage of which molecule is carefully regulated? Oxygen, amino acid and sugar. Answer is C, amino acid and sugar. The plasma membrane mainly acts as a semi-porous boundary enclosing the cell content. The plasma membrane holds together the dash. Answer is cell constituents. Which of the following substances can freely diffuse across the plasma membrane? So answer is carbon dioxide. It's a small molecule. Which molecule is also able to pass freely through the plasma membrane according to the text? So the option is water. The transport of amino acid across the plasma membrane is completely unrestricted, carefully regulated. So option is carefully regulated. 81. Membrane surrounding eukaryotic organelles mainly functions to regulate movement of substances into and out of the organelles. The three major components of a cell are plasma membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus. 83. Cytoplasm is best described as semi-viscous and semi-transparent substance. 84. In eukaryotic cells, cytoplasm lies between the dash. Cytoplasm lies between the plasma membrane and nuclear envelope. In prokaryotic cells, cytoplasm occupies the space beneath the plasma membrane. The aqueous ground substance of the cytoplasm is called cytosol. Cytosol mainly consists of water-containing dissolved organic and inorganic substances. 88. Which of the following is an organic substance present in cytosol? So the answer is proteins. Which of the following is an inorganic component of the cytosol? The answer is inorganic salts. Question number 90. Cytoplasm provides space for the proper functioning of organelles. All organelles functions within the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is the site of many biochemical or metabolic reactions. Option B is correct. 92. Glycolysis is the dash breakdown of glucose during aerobic respiration. Option B is correct. 93. Organelles are specialized structure responsible for specific cellular functions. Most cells organelles are enclosed by membrane. Which organelle mentioned in the text lacks a surrounding membrane? Ribosome. 96. Which statement is correct according to the fluid mosaic model? The membrane is made of a phospholipid bilayer with floating proteins. Which of the following is not a function of plasma membrane proteins? Acting as receptors, serving as transport channels, catalyzing membrane-related relations, synthesizing cellulose for the cell wall. So the D option is correct. It is not the function of plasma membrane. 98. Which of the following pairs is correctly matched? The pairing is made with organism and their composition of cell wall. So which one is correct? Which one is correctly matched? So the answer is bacteria and peptidoglycan. 99. Which statements about plasmodesmata is correct? They directly connect the cytoplasm of neighboring plant cells. This statement is correct. Question number 100. Which one of the following statement is true? Glycocalyx consists of glycoproteins and glycolipids that help in cell recognition. So our 100 MCQs are completed. So students, अगर आप लोगों ने सारी MCQs जो है वो की हैं तो आप लोग मुझे लास्ट में बताइएगा कि आप लोगों के कितने MCQs ठीक हुए और कितने गलत हुए हैं. अगर आप लोगों के बहुत ही ज़्यादा MCQs गलत हो रहे हैं तो आप इसका मतलब ये है कि आप लोगों ने चैप्टर को सही से नहीं पढ़ा. अगर आप लोगों ने एक मतलब आप बिल्कुल रीडिंग भी की होगी चैप्टर की तो ये सारे क्वेश्चंस आप लोगों ने इजीली सॉल्व कर लिए होंगे. सो अगर आप लोगों को ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो, अगर ये आप लोगों के लिए हेल्पफुल रही हो तो आप लोग वीडियो को लाइक और इसको शेयर ज़रूर कीजिएगा अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ. तो मिलते हैं आप लोगों से नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में जिसमें हम मज़ीद बाकी जो चैप्टर के पार्ट्स रह गए हैं उनकी MCQs को डिस्कस करेंगे वन बाय वन. सो थैंक यू सो मच. 100 MCQs तो ये एक चैलेंज है आप लोगों के लिए. आप लोग इन 100 MCQs को जो है वो इन 20 to 25 मिनट्स में जो है वो कवर करें एंड अपना रिजल्ट जो है बनाएं, अपना जो है एनालिसिस करें कि आप लोगों की कितनी तैयारी है और कितनी नहीं है. मिलते हैं आप लोगों से नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में. थैंक यू सो मच.